This is a new program called I Learn Virtual Campus. And as you can see here, it's kind of like you have an avatar. So this is an example of us walking through what we hope to be our career fair. So we're just taking a walk through here. And when you walk into some of these areas where they have the blue outline, only you can hear what's happening in there. When you walk out of it, it'll be silent. When you walk in, the imagery will come up. And if I walk to their website, I guess, well, onto this screen, I guess the idea is that we would have the ability to see the job postings or book a interview, or who knows. We can probably do anything we want. And then there's these meeting areas. So this is just the whole spot here, which is pretty neat. And you can go outside and say, hey, let's walk outside and have a talk at the table. So again, you can see all these blue areas around here. So if we want to sit, I can just click and we can have a little conversation, which is really quite neat. I don't think they'll let me walk in the water. No, okay. There we go. So this is the convention hall, and there's a lot of different uses for it. Lighthouse. It's pretty neat. I'm just playing around. I thought I'd just send you this video because I thought it might be neat for you to see this. And so this is the foyer, and this is just all the different little meeting areas as well that you could sit and have an interview. Man, if we could do something like this, Bri, I think it would be fantastic. So anyways, I don't know if you've seen it. I know Marilyn's been talking about it. I will be at the school on Tuesday, and we'll look at it then. Bye-bye.